In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Teams on an Android device. So if you've just started using Microsoft Teams or you're looking to refresh your knowledge, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to make your experience smooth and efficient. First things first, let's ensure you're ready to go. You'll need to open the Microsoft Teams app on your Android device. Once you've done that, sign in with your Microsoft account credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, take a moment to set one up. Once signed in, you'll see a menu at the bottom of your screen, which is your navigation bar to different features within the app. To start, let's dive into the chat section. Here, you can engage in private messages and share files with your colleagues or anyone else in your network. Remember, effective communication is key, and this feature helps keep your productivity levels high. Next, let's explore Teams. This is where you'll find all your channels and posts. Channels are spaces within a team where you can collaborate, host discussions, or brainstorm ideas. When you join a team, make sure to familiarize yourself with the different channels available. Each channel serves a specific purpose, so knowing where to post your queries or documents can help take full advantage of the collaborative nature of Teams. Moving on, we have the calendar. This is a vital tool for managing your schedule. Here, you can join meetings with a single tap or plan and schedule your own meetings seamlessly. The calendar is integrated with other Microsoft Office apps, allowing for smooth coordination and planning with your colleagues. Take some time to explore the different views and settings, as personalizing your calendar can make a big difference in how you manage your time. In the call section, you have the option to make audio or video calls. It's a straightforward feature that ensures you're always connected, whether you're working from home or on the move. Remember, in the digital workspace, ensuring clear voice and video communication is crucial, so take advantage of this feature to maintain strong connections with your team. When you're in a meeting, there's a bit more you can do. You can control your microphone and camera settings, ensuring privacy or focus when needed. Additionally, you can share your screen, which is particularly helpful when presenting reports or guiding a colleague through a process. If you need more options, look for the More button, represented by an ellipsis size, in the interface, where you'll find additional tools and settings to enhance your meeting experience. And there you have it. These steps will equip you with the fundamental skills needed to navigate Microsoft Teams effectively on your Android device. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore and get comfortable with these features to maximize your productivity in the digital workplace. Thank you for tuning in, and happy teaming.